Hey, what's up everyone? Easy Earl here. So today we are going to compare which is better. Is it Wix or Ecwid? So let's begin. Now, choosing between Wix and Ecwid depends on your specific needs for an online store and website creation. We are going to dive deep into their pros and cons, and if you have watched some of our comparison videos for Wix versus Adobe Portfolio, Wix against Adobe Dreamweaver, Wix to Blogger, and even Wix to Elementor and Bluehost. So basically, Wix is incredibly user-friendly because it features a drag and drop interface that allows users with no coding experience, which is very handy to create a professionally looking website easily. It offers a vast collection of templates across various industries and styles. Now, these templates are customizable, allowing users to personalize their websites according to their needs. Now, Ecwid is an e-commerce platform designed specifically for creating online stores. It's a standalone solution focused on providing e-commerce, and it's known for its integration capabilities with existing websites or platforms, including Wix, right, WordPress, Joomla, and others. It allows you to add an online store to your existing website seamlessly. All right, so I'm using both platforms and I'm taking advantage of each certain features for different situations. Now, moving along, Wix provides extensive design flexibility, meaning you can customize layouts, fonts, colors, and more, giving you a high level of control over the appearance of your site. Wix has an app market that offers numerous apps and integrations for additional functionalities such as e-commerce, bookings, forms, and analytics. Now, these apps can enhance your website's capabilities. In terms of Ecwid, it's relatively easy to integrate with different platforms, making it suitable for users who already have a website and want to add e-commerce functionality without rebuilding their entire site. Now, Ecwid focuses on providing robust e-commerce features, including product management, payment options, shipping, and more. Moving forward, while Wix offers a lot of design flexibility for users seeking highly specialized or intricate design modifications, it might have limitations. Advanced users might find certain customization options restrictive compared to more open platforms. Although Wix has a vast array of templates, once you have chosen a template and started building your site, it can be challenging to switch to a different template without rebuilding a significant portion of your website. Additionally, the templates can sometimes feel a bit rigid in terms of layout. Of course, Ecwid provides a customization options. However, the design flexibility might be more limited compared to dedicated website builders like Wix or Shopify. So it's up to you, right? Because customizing the appearance might require more technical expertise or additional customization using CSS. In the free plan, Ecwid charges transaction fees on each sale. Now, to avoid these fees, users need to upgrade to a paid plan, which might increase costs alone, right? Okay, so while Wix offers e-commerce functionality, it might not be as robust or customizable compared to dedicated e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, and this might be limiting for businesses with extensive online selling needs. In some cases, websites built on Wix might experience slower loading times, especially if the site is heavily customized with many plugins or higher resolution images. Now, for Ecwid alone, some advanced features such as abandoned cart recovery and more extensive analytics are available only in higher tier paid plans, which might not be feasible for all businesses. While Ecwid offers support, some users might find the level of support provided insufficient for more complex issues or specific customization needs. Right? Now, simply, if you're looking for a quick insight or very basic but can help you with your website in terms of functionality and integration purposes or simplicity, I believe time and time again, Wix is the better option. All right. But now I believe Ecwid is probably the best option if you want to add e-commerce functionality to existing websites because it will allow you to add products to virtually any store upfront. All right, so if you want to know more about pricing, advantages, features, I suggest you might want to go here at the Ecwid website. I'm using both because I'm using Ecwid for my Shopify store, and let me tell you, it's really effective in terms of functionalities. As you can see, there's a lot of information for you to check on it. All right, but of course, the pricing, you might want to consider that. So I suggest you go and check here for the pricing right here. Okay, so you have to consider this as well. So ultimately, the choice between Wix and Ecwid depends on whether you need a complete website builder with integrated e-commerce, such as Wix, or an e-commerce solution to add to an existing website, which is Ecwid. If you prioritize a standalone online store with extensive design options, of course, Wix might be better. But if you have an existing website and want to add e-commerce capabilities, I believe Ecwid could be a suitable choice for you. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.